Alright, quick video here. Got a package from the buckle guy. See what we got in here. Knife. Ooh. New sticker from the buckle guy. Cool. Ah, yes. Been waiting on this. So, that's junk. We don't need that. We just ordered some small D-rings for a project coming up later, so nothing to worry about there. But the exciting part is we got our buckle guy strap cutter we ordered. And yeah, we don't need that. There we go. Looks like we go. Oh, I see. Okay, this is nice. I can't get. Alrighty. That's how we get into those things. So, oh, nice. Comes with, it looks like 5 blades. Looks like we drop that down here in the end. You just slip it through. Although in my case you need to turn it around the right direction. Slip that through. Got some screws here on the end you tighten down. And then you set your width and you can adjust the thickness of the opening over here. And then when you get your thickness tightened, you got to give it some room to move, but you want it firm. And then you can set your width, metric and imperial. So, nice unit. Yeah. Alright. We'll be trying this out here in the future and let everybody know how that bad boy works. Talk to you soon.